Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Therichpost. Myself Ajay. Hope you all are doing great. So guys, in this fucking video, I'm going to show you View 3 Bootstrap 5 travel website and totally free. Guys, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest View 3 updates. So guys, here we go. And guys, also I will share the code snippet link inside this video description. So please get the code. And guys, see, here is top navigation section. At the section with form, location, travel and hotel. Location from where to where, date, start date, end date, and number of persons. And after it, we have deal section with carousel. And after it, popular places, popular packages, and other stuffs. So guys, have you seen? Works well, and it is fully responsive because I have used Bootstrap 5. See guys, just brilliant. For Galaxy S, iPad Pro. So guys, like I said, I will share the code snippet link inside this video description, so please get the code. And guys, if you will still have any kind of query, suggestion or requirement, then please comment on this video. Also please contact me via my blog. So friends, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this working video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.